That's Raiatea Helm this morning on Hawaiian 105 KINE, the Hawaiian Music Station. Good morning, I'm Billy V.
Hi, everyone. Happy Aloha Friday.
Raiatea Helm here live in the studios this morning. Tell me, why did you record Halava real quickly? That song.
I've always wanted to do an O'Brien Iselu song.
That's his composition?
Yes.
Really?
Halava. Not Molokai Halava. Not, this is in Pearl Harbor. Pu'uloa.
Really?
That Halava.
Wow.
Yes.
Something new for everybody else like me that didn't know that this morning. Oh, okay. Mahalo for that manao.
Sure.
Speaking of manao, there's people on the phone lines. Hi, good morning.
Aloha.
Aloha. Who's this?
Richard.
Richard, what can I do for you?
Oh, I'd like to say hello to Miss Raiatea Helm.
Good morning, Richard.
Aloha.
Aloha. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Beautiful.
Richard.
I'd just like to say thank you for your beautiful voice
Aww.
and for you perpetuating the Hawaiian music and coming out with that beautiful album you're working on. I love all those old songs, and your voice is just like heaven.
Oh, brother, thank you so much for the call this morning. Where do you live?
Wailua? I'm not sure.
You know what? For being our first caller on the show this morning to talk to Raiatea live on the air, we're going to give you her new CD. How's that sound?
Oh, that's wonderful.
Yay!
Mahalo.
Just for being the first caller.
Richard,
very much.
thank you. You
I
made my
appreciate it.
day. Thank you.
Oh, you make my day. I love to listen to your music. Your voice is so beautiful.
Is it okay if I autograph it for him?
Wow! I'm sure he won't say no.